Hi, my name is Edmund, but you can call me handsome. I have the average height of 170 cm. That is, if I spike my hair. In my school, I am what you define as cool. My body is what all boys desire. Haha, not. And my face is what all girls desire. That's true though, because of my dimples. My life is surrounded by great friends. Some of them are pretty awesome. Like seriously, my life would be so boring without them. But really, none of them are really my girlfriend materials, and I just can't seem to find the one for me. Right now, I'm heading for my favorite class, multimedia. This is my buddy, Afat. He's a pure geek. He knows multimedia at his fingertips. He's like the Bible of multimedia. I could ask him anything about multimedia. Oh shit, I'm late. Got to go now. Bye Afat, thanks for your help.
可能是电梯里面他撞翻我的 latte， 听他道歉半个月还听。
Hey. Hey. What's your name?
Beautiful girl, beautiful girl. 그대는 아름다운 나의 beautiful.
โกนครับ
เสือมีอยู่ตรงนั้นแล้วเราก็มีตรงนี้เลย
My mind forgets to remind me you're a bad idea. You touch me once and it's really something you find. I'm even better than you imagined I would be. I'm on my guard for the rest of the world, but with you, I know it's no good. And I could wait patiently, but I really wish you would drop everything now. Meet me in the pouring rain. Kiss me on the sidewalk, take away the pain. 'Cause I see sparks fly whenever you smile. Give me with those green eyes, baby, as the lights go down. Give me something that'll haunt me when you're not around. 'Cause I see sparks fly whenever you.
I've looked for love in stranger places, but never found someone like you. Raindrops are falling on my head, and just like the guy whose feet are too big for his bed, nothing seems to fit. Those raindrops are falling on my head, they keep falling. So I just did me some talking to the sun, and I said I didn't like the way he got things done, sleeping on the job. Those raindrops are falling on my head, they keep falling.
Dear Diary, after today's accident, I feel I'm so useless. I can't even call for help. I never want to be his burden. I need to keep distance from him. It will be the best decision for both of us. He'll find someone better than me.
She might not have heard all the love songs in the world, but I know that for us, silence is our sound of love.
I don't know, but I think I may be falling for you, dropping so